Hey guys, welcome back to Simplex 49.3. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 2000 on your computer or laptop. So you guys might notice I'm uploading computer videos, and that's because I've been at computers for a very long time, and I sort of was getting out of them into fire alarms, but now I'm getting sort of back into them. But now I like fire alarms and computers equally, so I'm gonna upload about both of them. Fire alarms every Saturday and then computers at random. So yeah, now that I got that covered, we can start our installation. Installing Windows 2000. So what first we're gonna do is turn your PC on and then open the CD-ROM. Put the Windows 2000 DVD in there. I guess I can leave that open. Oh man, this two things don't focus as always, whatever. So yeah, and you hit F1. And then boot off CD-ROM, and then hit F5, as you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so if you keep on hitting F5, you will see this screen. Now the reason you have to hit F5 is because if you don't, it will either blue screen, black screen, or get stuck on the Windows 2000, starting Windows 2000. So yeah, and then you just hit standard PC, and then let it load. Okay, once Windows 2000 is done loading, you'll see this, and then once you see this, you hit enter, and then wait. Then hit F8 to agree, and then yeah, and then you would just install it on Unparson. But since I've already done 2000, then you'd hit enter, continue, then L, delete. Then I have two partitions here. Let's do the 8GB one. So you would probably only see one, but if you see two, you can choose either one. If it's formatted, if it's not formatted, then go back and format it. But if it is, then you just hit enter, and then continue. Okay guys, once Windows 2000 is done formatting and copying files, so what you'll do next is you'll take the DVD out of Windows 2000, your computer, and then hit restart. Now later in the video you will add that back in, so. Then do what we just did in the beginning, hit F1. Now you just wait, and the reason you have to take this out, because if you don't, it will just resume the startup again, and yeah, it'll be a painful process because then you have to do it all over again. And yes, Windows 2000 was part of the NT family, not the 9X family. People might get it confused, like ME as NT or 2000 as 9X, but Windows 2000 is part of the NT family, and Windows ME was the last of the 9X family. Okay, once it should just take a little bit to load. And this is where you'll add the DVD back in. So yeah, now I'll just hit OK. Okay. So once it's done, so at the beginning of the screen you will see click next or OK. I forgot what it says, I sort of missed that part. But what it says next. I think it says next or OK. But if you wait, yeah, this is what will happen. And it'll just naturally go ahead and install devices. And also one more thing to mention, as you might have seen on the screen, this will flicker a couple times, so don't worry, it's not your computer. Windows 2000 just does it because it's Windows 2000. Okay, once that's finished guys, what you'll do next is hit next, type in your name, I'll just type in my name, and then you do not need to do the organization, that's just for like, we'll say we'll work for Google. why not? So then after that, you'll hit next again, and then here's where you'll type in your product key, so I'll do that real quick. Okay guys, once you got your product key typed in, then you just hit OK, and you can do a password, which I'm gonna do, so. Okay, once you got your password typed in, hit next. And then, got the date right, I don't know about the time. And then you just hit next. And then it'll install your network. Okay guys, once you get through all of that, then you remove your CD again. So just remove it. Once you remove it, then take your Windows 2000 DVD out. Oh no, say DVD the entire. Okay, yeah, CD. Then just hit finish. And it should reboot. Yeah. And then just hit F1 again on your keyboard or laptop. Go. You got Windows 2000. So now you do whatever you want on it. You can go. Yeah, it kind of runs you through it. Programs. Got some games on here. Yeah, pinball. So yeah. Make sure before you install Windows XP that it's not UEFI, because if it does, it'll just blue screen. Make sure it's probably something older, below 2010, maybe. If you're doing this in the VirtualBox, then I'm pretty sure it's the same way. Just, yep. But if you actually want to install on hardware, make sure that your PC is below probably 2010, I would say. Because this PC is probably, I think, 2007 or 8 it was built. And probably works good because, you know, Windows 2000 still in support and everything. And yeah. So yeah, just make sure about that. So yeah, you finally got Windows 2000. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video.